So I'm off to do some errands. Welcome back to the channel. My name's Kevin and this is Tractors in Life. So it is another snowy day. We got, I'm going to say 3 to 4 inches. It's starting to settle right now. It's a very wet snow and it's actually supposed to turn to rain for a while later on today. You know, I guess one thought is, geez, maybe I'll just let it go and not plow it. But I know what's going to happen. It's not going to be warm enough, and there's not going to be enough rain that's going to melt the snow. What's going to end up happening is it's all going to turn to slush, and then it gets colder again. So I'm going to have an icy mess in the driveway if I don't do something. Fine by me. You guys all know I love fall and snow. I love winter. Yeah, I'm going to run a few errands and then going to head back to the barn and get this done. It is absolutely beautiful out right now. The snow is all, because it's wet, it's all stuck to the trees. So yeah, it's like as Tess always says, it's like a winter wonderland. Tons of deer tracks. I've found that when snow's coming the night before, they'll be really active. They just know. It's really, really incredible. So this is a heavy, wet snow. Temperature is about 33 degrees and rising. And so what's supposed to happen is temperature's going to continue to rise. This is going to turn to rain for a while, which is going to mean if I don't get this up, it's going to be a slush mess. Because then it's going to turn cold again this evening and everything's going to freeze. So we're plowing. Hey, by the way, if you enjoy this type of content, We sure would love to have you subscribe to our channel. Love to be with you guys. Love to have you a part of the Tractors in Life family. And to those of you that have subscribed, I just cannot tell you how much it means to us. We really appreciate it. We really appreciate the thumbs up. And yeah, thank you so much. So I just had to move the camera. I'm trying something different out. I've got a camera on my hat. And I don't know if I'm going to like this or not, but we'll try it. Just trying to give you guys a great view. no, that's it. You can see the driveway's clear down to mostly the blacktop, and that's because it's warming up now. It's still snowing, might be a little sleet mixed in, but I couldn't wait because if it doesn't turn as warm as they think, or we don't get enough rain to melt it all, by tomorrow morning I'd have an ice skating rink out here. Yeah, well, had fun anyhow. Always have fun being with you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, we'll see you next time on Tractors in Life.